Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your daily energies, for your career situation, and your love energies, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys. So, first, for your daily energies, Aquarius. These are the cards. For your relationship and for your career situation, we'll be picking more cards, guys. So, these cards are for your relationship, Aquarius. We will open these cards as we proceed, guys. And for your career situation, also, I'll be picking more cards. These are for your career situation, Aquarius. So, three cards each. So, these cards will answer your career situation and personal life situation, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. So the first card, Knight of Suns in reverse, Alchemist of Spheres in reverse, and Initiate of Moons in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Aquarius, there are people in your situation, maybe in your career situation or personal life situation, trying to trick you in some ways, trying to deceive you in some ways. You need to be really careful, guys. You need to be really careful with them. If you are able to identify that person, know who they are, maybe um, just have doubts on someone, you need to stay away from them, guys. This person may not be good. Someone suspicious, someone acting in a suspicious way. This person may try to block your growth, block your development. So someone in your career or personal life, they may act as an obstacle today, guys. So you have to be really careful, Aquarius. That is what I see with these cards. So when, if you have doubts on some person, if you feel that you cannot trust someone, you have to stay away from that person, guys. And some things, some unexpected changes are also um, coming your way, guys. Maybe it may be your energy or it may be your person's energy. Maybe you find someone interesting and you go forward without that thought towards this connection. You simply are making some rash decisions today, Aquarius. So you have to be really careful. But this decision, it needs lot of work, lot of commitment. So sometimes you have no control over these choices that are forced upon you. Something you make without that deep thought, or it is just there and you are unable to avoid. Maybe for some of you, you may see things going in a very unexpected way. But if it is something that you can change, or you can try to avoid being rushing into something, you have to think, guys. Think before making that move, that next move, Aquarius. So some kind of misunderstandings may also be the reason for stress today, guys, Aquarius. So someone troubling you in your situation, that is what I see with these cards. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship first. It's Six of Spheres, Five of Spheres in reverse, Six of Stars in reverse, guys. So with these cards for your relationship, Aquarius, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So there are some troubles in this connection, guys. maybe because of this person is too possessive of you, or they have some views or ideas about you or how this relationship should go. So some kind of obsessive behavior that may again lead to something stressful in this connection. And there are certain sudden changes in the way you are with this person, or the way things are going in this connection. So something unexpected also is happening, and you do not have that deep trust with this person, guys, belief on them. So that may again be the reason for stress. You don't know what this person will do next, so some kind of doubts and confusions are there with this person. You don't know what is in their heart, so again that may be the reason for this, guys. And maybe for some of you, this person is going to reveal their true feelings, how they feel about this connection, and about you. They want to tell the truth, maybe, guys. So sometimes it is best to wait if you are in a lot of troubles in your relationship. You feel cornered today, you don't know which way to go. You need to wait, guys, wait for the right time. And maybe if you wait, if you are able to hold on to wait these stressful times out, you will be able to find that clarity that you need today, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see, and maybe this person wants to confess the truth to you. So whatever is there in their heart, so they are ready to come forward, telling you the truth today, what needs to be, what is there in their heart, and what will work for both of you. So they are trying to bring that understanding in this relationship, maybe, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys. And let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. Hierophant, Two of Spears in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here, guys. And Three of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, in your career situation, guys, maybe some important communications are reaching you today, guys, in your career. Maybe some written document or agreement in your work. Something really important is coming towards you. It may be some regarding some projects or some deals that you have planned for yourself. So something is coming, and you have hope in your situation. You are hoping for things to go in a positive way today, because of the way things are going, proceeding, guys. And today in your career situation, guys, Aquarius, I also see that you feel inspired to take up something, maybe some new choices or some new path, and there are people advising you what you need to do. Maybe your mentor or your team leader, someone giving you counsel on certain things, how you need to do that work. And maybe it is time you listen to them to reach success, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.